Good morning, Philippines!
Ay, ka-open ko lang sa camera, nag-blur agad. Hello guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon, kailangan ko na talagang mag-wax. Late na akong nag-vlog. Good afternoon guys, late na. Mainit dito dapit. Mainit dito dapit. Anyway, so papunta na si Tami. It's 1:50 na ng hapon. Tapos na akong nag-cut ng grass sa backyard. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko is lagyan ko ng hangin yung gulong ng lawnmower. Daming bata sa kapitbahay namin. Let's get rocks. I'm waiting for Dada. I'm waiting for Dada. Yan. Waiting for Dada. Not yet. Not yet, but I'm waiting. Look at how happy she is. Not yet. I'm waiting, but he's not here yet. Not yet. He's on the way here. He's on the way. Yeah, he's on his way. Yes, he's on his way. Tinawagan ko siya, ang tagal niya, 'di ba? Sabi pa niya, grabe daw yung construction. Ano construction yung sabi niya? He is gonna be here. This too is excited. I told them about Dada's coming. And then they're like excited. Huy guys, when I was cleaning up the backyard, when I was cutting the grass, the tree, the pear, yung prutas namin doon, ang daming bunga. And I think I'm going to harvest some because I noticed some of our trees in the back, not all of that trees out there in the back is not ours, okay? Only few trees, maybe 12 trees out there. So I noticed there's no fruit, only our trees have fruit. So I'm going to harvest some because they don't spray to kill the bug, you know, stuff like that, because it's our tree. So I think I'm going to I see something, all the fruits already down. So I'm gonna harvest some, and I saw a lot of apple in my side here. So I'm going to pick up something later. So yun, tignan natin kung ilan yung apple na makukuha natin. Hala, umiyak na talaga yun. Hala ka na, Dada's here. Somebody's up there. Oh, my Dada's here.
Mama's got the bag now.
Oh, cigarette. Now what is it going to?
Big girl. Little girl. Big girl. Little girl. Little man.
Guys, what do you think, guys? What do you think of this? What's the meaning of this? Tulahan, the cigarette, hanba.
Hanba.
Hanba. My God. Ay, naku. God. I just started my headache and then, you know, it smells nice here, right? Candles. Smells good. The house. Pinalabas ko kasi nanigarilyo. Oh my God. Do you want the burger over there?
What?
You want burger over there? She doesn't like the cigarette. You wanna go do that? Tignan niyo itong dalawa. Tignan niyo itong dalawa. Roxy doesn't like. We don't like the smoke. Nanghalay ko sa labas, guys. Nilabhan ko yung ano dito sa kitchen. Dito. So, yan. Nandun sa labas. Guys, Tami have the impossible. Show it first. It's impossible what?
Whopper.
Impossible wafer. And what do you think? Is it taste meat?
Tastes like a burger.
It is like a real meat, but this is not a meat.
Made from plants.
Plants?
Plants. Try it.
So it's really nice.
Try it.
No.
Fine. You never know if you don't try it.
No, I don't want to.
This is like this. Their stock is going through the roof because it's such a big thing.
Yun guys, tignan nyo yan si Tamimoy, naghalongkat ng mga gamit niya doon. Sabi pa niya, yan, projector, nakalabas na. Ang dami kasi niyang gamit. Oh, when we do Monday, we have to unhook that screen and projector also and bring it here. I really want to have a movie here, big screen. That's the biggest projector compared to what you have in the other house, the ceiling, right?
It's a bigger now, yeah.
What is it, broken?
No, it needs a lens.
Huh?
You need to put a lens in it.
Where is your lens? Do you have a lens? What projector is this? How you can add a lens? You have to take everything off? So, umuulan. Akala ko hindi uulan. So, kaya pinalipas ko yung oras bago ako mag-start ng mag-cut ng grass. Kasi sabi nitong asawa ko siya mag-cut. So, pinalampas ko yung oras. Anyway, pumunta siya sa baba para ang dami, alam nyo guys, ang daming projector itong si Tami. May malaki, may maliit, may ganito. Mga powerful naman siya, kahit yung ibang maliit niya. Powerful naman siya. Ang daming mga kaanik-anik ka nitong asawa ko. Hindi ko talaga gets bakit mahilig siya sa mga ganito. Yun naman yung trabaho niya, pero hindi ko gets. Bakit? Look at that guys. I was talking about you. Talking of the devil. What is that?
I hope it's the right lens.
That's a really expensive lens, right? Huh? Let me see. That's a big looking expensive lens, and it's really clean up there.
You have a cap.
Well, be careful.
Turn the other lights here.
Ay, nako. This light is ridiculous. Hindi. Let me turn this light on. Okay. Is that good?
I don't think this light will fit.
Huh?
I don't think it's for this projector.
Kaloka talaga. Anyway guys. So yun guys. So nagbihis na naman ako. Maligo ako mamaya. Kasi tabihan ko tong asawa ko. Hindi ako naliligo. Sabihin niya na, ang baho-baho mo na, gang. Magsinaging, taron. Anyway guys, hindi daw magkasya. Kalukat mo asawa. Na maluluka ako guys. Kapag mag-start na yan guys, kung ano mga pinaplano niya, huwag mong barahin. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko sa kanya, wag kang gagamit ng mga ganun. Kasi yung kapatid niya, gusto niya yung simple. Gusto niya yung TV at saka yung CD player lang, yung andun. At saka parang walang masyadong aligaga ganit. Mag-ano pa ng mga bisita, ganun. Pero si Tami, gusto talaga niya yung may pagganon si Tami kahit wala ng time. Basta mga video, mga ganun ng bagay, ang utak niya is gamitin yung pinakamaganda. Sabi pa ng kapatid ni Tami, yung asawa mo, perfectionist, hindi naman natatapos lahat. Sabi ko, oo nga. Pero paminsan, ganun si Tami talaga. Pero alam nyo, gusto lang talaga niya. Ang sabi niya sa akin, sabi ni Tami sa akin, funeral ito ng kapatid ko. For the last time. Ito yung gagawin ko. Sabi niya, naintindihan ko naman din. Sabi niya, for the last time daw, pabayaan daw siya kung anong gagawin para sa kapatid niya na panganay nila. Yung nawala ba? So, for the last time daw, gagawin daw niya yung gusto niya. Hello guys, ang ulan guys, lumakas talaga. Pero buti na lang, okay lang, nakat naman dito sa likuran. So yun guys, magtitik lang ako ng alib. Ito yung tinitik ko kapag may menstruation. Ito yun kasi, talaga siya guys, nag-work siya sa akin. And also kapag may masakit yung ulo ko, ito din yung tinitik ko. Kasi, nag-work talaga siya. Yung mga sakit sa ulo, sakit sa katawan, gano'n. Ito talaga yung gusto ko. Nagulat na lang ako guys, pagdating ko, dambuhala ng projector yung ilabas. Kaluka naman itong si Tommy. Han, why you're not bringing that to Andrea?
There's a little one I don't have lemons for. I got 8 lemons and none of them was worth that. I had lemons for it, but without one.
Andito yung mic ko guys kasi I tried to do Roxy's mukbang and it failed because the setting sa garage band sa Mac sa laptop ko at saka ito hindi nagkalimao. Hindi naging okay yung setting niya. So pero i-upload ko pa rin yung mukbang ni Roxy guys. Wala, andun na. Andun yung projector no signal. Nakikita ang mukha ni Roxy kasi sa projector doon. Why don't you just use the one that we use in the other house, the one on the ceiling?
That's way too small.
Too small.
Yeah, it's not bright enough. It's not bright enough, huh?
You know, it's daytime. You think you can see it? Yeah. Magluto din tayo, guys, ng ano, guys. Pochette. Yung pochette ba? Pochette! Adobong pochette! I think kailangan ko itong ilabas. I'm going to put this outside to defrost it quick. Wala ka diha, guys. Look, nag-start na stami, guys. Sa dingding naglalagay ang ano, guys. Sa dingding. Diyan ka, ha? Huwag kang kakainin ni Roxy King. Okay, Roxy King. Let's go inning. Come. Okay, you stay out there, okay? Kaluka naman yung couch. Tignan mo, napuno ng pilo kasi nilabas lahat yung pilo sa room doon. Kaluka naman itong hitami. Ganito lalaga, guys, kapag yung asawa mo walang pakialam. Ikaw yung sumusunod sa mga gawain kasi God. The electric fan of this is really strong, Han. I can't see nothing, yan.
Well, that's in the cash.
Klaseng ano to? Program. The head of the deer is in my frame. Si Tommy ba, tulog na tulog talaga sa labas. Naghagok-hagok pang taling. Grabe pang hinagok niya doon. Anyway guys, magluluto tayo ng... Well, hindi din kompleto yung pang ano ko, pang squid adobo. Walang kamatis. Yun. Pero wala akong patis. Iwan ko kung saan ako pwede makabili ng patis. Baka sa Asian store dito, no? Baka mayroon. Kunyunini. Kanina na ako ng kanta-kanta. Kanina na ako napakanta-kanta, sabi ko. Andun kasi si Tommy sa labas, natutulog. Sabi ko, Dudong Tommy, sulod. Ayaw hagok, dihas gawas. Madunggan ka sa silingan. Ikaw ay katauan. Dudong Tommy, gayon. Kusuga sa imong hagok. Naghagok kasi, grabe kasi yung lakas niya Lakas kasi yung hagok niya, good. So, ginger. Meron tayong ginger. Meron tayong onion. Ginger dito. Hindi nyo makikita kasi puti. Kasi itong ano ko. Wala akong patis. Ginoo ko. Ano to? Ano to? Red wine vinegar. Ayun. Lagyan na lang natin ng konting vinegar mamaya. Iwan ko kung okay ba yan. Paanohin lang natin transparent para yung lasa talaga niya maglabas yung lasa niya ba. Ang bango ng ginger, at saka garlic and onion ba. Pag igisa mo, bango. Wala tayong kamatis. Masarap ito pag may kamatis, guys. Hi guys, apple picking tayo at saka pear Han? Pear picking kasi parang nahuhulas na dito tayo Han. We're gonna go I will go this way. Wala yung okra guys, another okra Han, Han, another, look. I'll do it tomorrow morning. Bye Rox. Where is Roxy? I found your Rox. Huy, Roxy. Huh?
A lot of spots on the leaves.
This one right here.
Yeah, but there's a lot of spots you're picking.
I'm not using the one with that thing.
Oh, you dropped it.
Huh?
You dropped it.
This one, oh, there's no fruit here. There is some. Huh? Only one. This, no leaves. It's so weird, huh? Look, tignan niyo si Roxy dun. Okay. Roxy. Look at Roxy yan. Hi, Rox. Hi, Rox. Rocky. Yung apple is andito, guys, sa gilid ng bahay. Yan dyan. Ang dumi dito, han. This is what I'm trying to cut this hedges here. Apple, guys. Ang daming apple. Look. Daming apple.
They're really, I don't know if they're ready though.
Huh?
They don't look ready to me.
Pick some. You can eat it even small, you know.
Yeah.
That's it more. Oy.
No more, but none of them look ready. I'm trying to pick them, but they're not ready. They're all still green.
Okay.
And then the green apple is one. But yeah, they get viruses. But the tree can get a virus. That could explain why it grew no fruits.
Ito siya, guys. Ito yung na-harvest namin for now. Madami pa mang. There's a lot of apple over there.
Yeah, but they're not ripe.
You know what, guys? Can I just tell you something? My husband, it's really yummy. He is so yummy.
Just from the heat from your face, from the air. Going in and out of air conditioning.
Is that what it's affected, sir?
Oh, you ever wear glasses in the car? You drive with air conditioning on, you open up the door and walk outside, right, you can't see.
You happen to you?
All the time, huh?
I'm finished with my shower. And ang linis. I feel like malinis na ako. Nanonood lang kami ng grown-ups. Yeah, but it's a grown-up. Not why you put it's an ups.
Because more than one grown-up.
Okay. Is it funny so far?
Yeah.
Kind of funny. So, kalalabas ko lang. Anyway, I'm going to end this video. I'm gonna end the vlog.
Hey guys.
Night, guys. We're gonna end this and we're just gonna watch this movie and dry my hair. Kasi basa. Good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.